How to fix Hey Siri not working in your iPhone. To fix this issue, first of all, launch settings in your device. Once you are on your settings, you have to scroll down a little bit. There you will see Siri and search option. Simply tap on it. From here, go through the listen for and make sure that it is not turned off. Once you do that, you also have to check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not working, then it may cause this issue. Once you check your internet connection, go through the general on your settings. From here, scroll down to the last there you see transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it. From here, hit on reset and do reset all settings. Once you do that, you are good to go. In this way, you can easily solve Hey Siri not working in iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.